1. Dual Random Orbital Sander asterisk. The Dual is one of the best reviewed sanders in top online stores today. To start with, the device has a rating of 4.7 out of a possible 5 in some reviews. And despite that, the handheld tool comes at a considerably lower price compared to other top-rated Dual devices. In addition, the Dual model is excellent in performance and has some unique features that make it worth any woodworker's attention. Read these features below. Powerful 3-amp motor. The Dual sander features. 2. Makita Random Orbital Sander asterisk. The Makita is unique and quite popular in the market for a number of reasons. To start with, you can control its operational speed, which ideally helps saves on power usage when handling less demanding tasks. On the other hand, the device has a convenient design that eliminates fatigue and enhances comfort even when handling tough jobs. And still, you can manipulate its front handle to give you more convenience when working in confined areas or corners. Read below, however, to learn about its main performance details. Powerful motor. The sander features a 3-ampere motor that works hard to give you fine finishes. But to ensure you save on power by utilizing the motor's power where deserved, you can control the sander's performance with the help of a speed dial. 3. Black & Decker Random Orbital Sander asterisk. The Black & Decker is one of the best random orbital sanders for low-budget professionals out there. For a price of less than $75 and top ratings in numerous reviews, this sander proves to be a great choice. For an average woodworker, its main strength point lies in the consistently fine results it produces. And with its orbit action also, the Black & Decker model proves to be a great choice for a novice woodworker who would like to perfect sanding without wasting a lot of their materials. Great quality, construction, and comfortable handle. The Black & Decker model is ultra-light and features a great handle and convenient design to ensure that you can work properly for many hours without feeling fatigued. The comfortable grip is especially useful when handling big doors, as it can protect you from getting hand cramps. 4. Bosch Random Orbital Sander asterisk. The Bosch ROS2OVSC is a sander designed to serve multiple purposes with great efficiency. It is a sander built for all kinds of woodworkers, most especially because it offers excellent results irrespective of what applications you are handling. The tool also combines a couple of modern sanding technologies to help add efficiency and convenience while doing your work. But to learn more about it, read below. Efficient. The Bosch ROS 2 OVSC features a uniquely designed pad orbit and rotation for quick removal and well-blended finishes on your woodwork. With the high-quality polisher kit, the Bosch model is built to achieve the exact sanding standards a carpenter has in mind. Erases swirl marks. Apart from being one of the top random orbit sanders in the market, the Bosch device is unique in that it can completely eliminate swirl marks from your work. It achieves this with the help of an integrated dampening system that is uncommon with other sanders. Patented hook and loop disc attachment. The Bosch's hook and loop disc attachment is unique for a good reason. It is able to hold a disc firmly with its more than 35,000 hooks. Plus, it helps achieve uniform finishes even on contoured wood surfaces. 5. Bosch Electric Random Orbital Sander asterisk. The Bosch may be a little bit more expensive than average wood sanders, but its top-of-the-line performance and high-quality features proves it is worth the price you pay for it. To start with, the device features a 6.5-amp motor, which is powerful enough to handle any type of heavy sanding you have at hand. On the other hand, the tool features a turbo mode that runs aggressively and fast to help you achieve fine, swirl-free materials. In addition, the 5.3-pound tool boats of the following other high-quality features. Performer, with its 6.5-amp motor and 6-inch size, The Bosch 125OD EVS delivers a one-of-a-kind sanding job irrespective of how rough your wooden materials might be. In addition, the sander comes with a unique turbo mode that makes the sander run super aggressively while removing stock fast and more effectively than average sanders can. Light and convenient, despite its excellent performance. 6. Porter Cable Polishing Pad Random Orbital Sander asterisk. The Porter Cable for 5 amp. Wood sander is a great choice for many woodworkers out there. The handheld 6 pounds weighing tool is also a top-rated sander with an average of 4/5 stars in multiple Random Orbital Sander reviews. It may not be the most powerful sander, however, but all the same, it has features that could help you with sand efficiently for a long time. Powerful motor with variable speed controls. The small wood sander has a motor powerful enough to eliminate stocks easily and produce fine results at your carpentry workshop.